Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Zane, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zane.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone.
Anna, today I am very nervous
Why are you nervous, Zane?
because we are in the kitchen, and you know, I am a bad cook.
Oh, Zane, don't worry. Cooking is relaxing. I love chopping vegetables and making soup.
For you, it is relaxing. For me, it is stressful. Remember last time I tried to make rice and I burnt the water?
Yes, I remember. You forgot to put water in the pot, so the pot burned. But today is different
Why?
because today I am going to teach you. We are going to make a simple, delicious pasta dish.
Pasta. Okay, I like pasta.
And while we cook, we are going to learn a very important grammar point, sequence words.
Sequence words?
Yes, words like first, next, then, and finally. These words are like a map. They tell us the order of actions.
That sounds useful. If I have a map, maybe I won't burn the house down.
Exactly. So please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and get your aprons ready. Let's cook. Before we start the recipe, we need the right tools. Zane, what is this?
That is a big metal bowl?
It is a pot. We use a pot to boil water.
Pot. P-O-T. Okay. And this flat one?
That is a pan. We use a pan to fry things, like eggs or meat.
Pot and pan. Easy. And this sharp thing is a knife?
Yes, be careful. We use a knife to chop.
Chop. That means to cut into small pieces.
Exactly. So we have 3 important verbs today. Boil, to make the water very hot with bubbles. Chop, to cut vegetables. And stir, to mix everything together.
Boil, chop, stir. I can do that.
Are you sure?
I think so. As long as I don't have to julienne anything.
No, we will keep it simple. We are making pasta with tomato sauce.
Okay, Anna, teach me the grammar. How do I describe the steps?
We use sequence words to connect our sentences. Think of it like a train.
A train. Okay.
The engine, the start of the train, is first. First, we boil the water.
First. That is always number 1.
Then, for the middle parts, we have 3 options. We can use next, then, or after that.
Are they different?
Not really. You can swap them. You can say next or then. It's the same. First, boil the water. Next, add the pasta. Then, chop the tomatoes.
Okay, and for the end of the train, the caboose?
We use finally. Finally, we eat the pasta.
That is my favorite step.
So the pattern is first, next, then, after that, finally.
Listeners, repeat after me. First, next, then, finally.
Perfect. Now, Zane, are you ready to try the recipe?
I am ready. I have the pot, I have the water. Let's do this.
Okay, step 1. First, put water in the pot and turn on the stove.
Okay, first water in pot, stove on. Look at me, I am cooking.
Good job. Next, wait for the water to boil.
Waiting. This is boring. Can I check my emails?
No, you must watch the stove. Remember the burned water?
Okay. Look, bubbles. It is boiling.
Great. Then add the pasta to the water.
Splash! Whoops, I dropped it.
Careful. Okay, the pasta is in. After that, we need to make the sauce. Please chop the tomatoes.
Chop the tomatoes. Okay. Bam, bam, bam!
Zane, gently. You're killing the tomatoes.
I am showing them who's boss, like your cat Bella is the boss.
Okay, that's fine. Next, put the tomatoes in the pan.
In the pan, okay. Sizzling sound. Oh, it's hot.
Turn down the heat. You're burning it.
I'm stirring. Sound effect, fire alarm beep once.
Zane, is that smoke?
No, it's, flavor steam?
It smells like burnt shoes. Did you add oil?
Oil? You didn't say oil. You said first water, next pasta, then tomatoes. You missed a step.
Oh no, I forgot to tell you to add oil to the pan.
See, it is not my fault. The teacher is bad.
Okay, finally, let's look at our creation.
It looks interesting.
It looks crunchy.
So first we cooked, finally we have a disaster.
Well, Zane, I think we learned a lesson today.
Yes, the lesson is I should stick to making coffee.
And maybe I need to give better instructions. But don't worry, we have a backup plan.
What is the backup plan?
Finally, when the cooking fails, we order food.
Yes, pizza.
I'll make the call. Hello, I would like 1 large pepperoni pizza, please.
And I'll have extra cheese.
See? You used the polite phrase, I'll have. At least your English is good, even if your cooking is bad.
Your English is delicious. Your pasta is scary. Okay, everyone, while we wait for the pizza, let's review.
To describe a process, use sequence words. First, next, then, after that, finally.
And remember the vocabulary: pot, pan, boil, chop, stir.
We have homework for you.
Yes, we want you to write a recipe in the comments, but keep it simple.
Tell us, how do you make a cup of tea or coffee?
Use the words. First, I boil the water. Next, I put the tea bag in the cup. Then, I pour the water. Finally, I drink it.
Write your steps in the comments. We love reading them.
And please subscribe to English with Zane. It helps us buy more pizza.
Yes, it does. Thank you for watching our cooking disaster.
See you next time. Goodbye.